This is the Double Horse 9053 infrared remote control helicopter. It's 28 inches long. It's a very huge helicopter, so be careful when you're playing with it because it can be very dangerous. So when you're playing with it, be sure to not hurt yourself and others. And the blades can be very sharp, so just watch out for that. Right here, there are two wires. One of them is for charging. That white one is for charging. You just plug that to the adapter. And then this red one is for the power. So you would plug this into the helicopter. And so now we're going to show you the remote control. This is it right here. The joystick on the left is for moving up and down. The joystick on the right is to move left and right, forwards and backwards. This right here is the switch for speed. You can see that they're slow and quick, so it's adjustable. And if you are a beginner, we recommend to try the slow one. This right here is the trimmer for balance. So just adjust it as you need. So now we're going to demonstrate. So we're going to turn on the remote control first. Now turn on your helicopter. Set that down. So right now we're adjusting the trimmer for balance. So when it stops spinning, it means that it is balanced and it's ready to fly. This is a very sturdy helicopter. It balances really well and it's very stable. And be very careful because you always want a safe and slow landing. Practice makes perfect.